It's a new 2019 BMW X5. This X5's incredible power, space, and design lets you command the road while making a lasting and powerful impression. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, power tilting steering column, turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic with driver control suspension management, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.